going to make banana sweet or minatamis na saging. Okay, we are going to add jackfruit pulp in syrup, langka. So we're just gonna slice a little bit of langka. We don't want to choke on big pieces of jackfruit. Put it on the side. Next, the bananas. Cut the bananas into 3, smaller pieces. We are using the Philippine banana. It's called saba. It's whole and it's already steamed a little bit. Just a steam, not quite cooked. And so we're gonna cook. Oh, this one's big, so it depends on the size of the banana. We can do 2 or 3 or 4 slices. Alright, now we have the langka and the bananas. We are also going to use brown sugar, and we will add this into a pot of water. Okay, to start, we are going to boil 3/4 cup water. Then we are going to let it boil with a cup of brown sugar. We'll keep on stirring until the sugar is dissolved. Make sure that it doesn't burn or stick to the pan. I think we need another cup. So basically 2 cups of brown sugar, and we'll let it boil. We'll turn the heat to medium. Before we even put the banana, we are going to put the langka first, or the jackfruit. And the reason for that is we want the jackfruit to boil with the syrup, so in order to get more flavor, more langka flavor. Okay, let's check. And it looks like the syrup is getting thicker. So now is about time to add the bananas. And we are going to add a drop or 2 of vanilla extract. Smells good. Smells good. Turn the heat into medium-low. Keep it boiling until the syrup is thickened, and then by then the bananas are cooked, fully cooked. Alright, checking on the banana sweet the final time. It looks like it is done. The langka smells so good, the vanilla smells so good, and the banana is fully cooked. So it's ready to serve. Turn the heat off, and there is your banana sweet. Minatamis na saging in Filipino. The banana sweet is done, and it's warm and tasty and sweet.
Yes.
Dessert, banana sweet. Kain na!